టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి బిగినర్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ కోడింగ్ యాప్స్ ఫర్ బిగినర్స్. ఈ వీడియో మనం టూ పార్ట్స్ కింద డివైడ్ చేసుకున్నాం. అబౌట్ యాప్ అండ్ స్పెసిఫిక్ యాప్ ఫర్ లాంగ్వేజెస్. Start with solo learn. It supports C, C++, Python, Java, HTML and CSS, JavaScript. Features such as interactive lessons, compiler, community, question and answers. Platform Android. Second, decoder. It supports 50+ languages including C, C++, Python, JavaScript, etc. Features such as real-time compiler, code editor with themes, project management. Platform Android. Third, programming hero. It supports Python, web development, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Features gamified learning, interactive projects. Platform Android. Code pydroid 3 for Python. Features often compiler and popular libraries in this app. Platform Android. Second, web development. This app is enki. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python. Features bit-sized lessons, daily practice. Platform Android. Best for structured daily learning. Next, mimo. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Python. Platform Android. Best for beginners and project management. Last, Spark code editor. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Features lightweight code editor. Platform Android. Best for editing and testing front-end developers. Specific apps for coding. First, C language. C++ Droid and decoder is the best. Second, C++. CPP Droid and solo run is the best for C++. Third, Python. pydroid 3 and programming hero solo learn is best for Python. Fourth, web development. mimo, Spark code editor and enki is best for web development. ఈ యాప్స్ యొక్క అన్ని లింక్స్ మన బయోలో ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ మోర్ వీడియోస్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ అభి.